Good afternoon, guys. We're going to review solving multi-step equations. Last week we got a chance to put this in our interactive notebook and write down our problems, but we did not get a chance to finish, and we're just going to finish that today. Let's review the solving multi-step equations before we start doing our problems. We had an example, 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 minus 3 equals 4x minus 5 minus x. And there's 5 steps that we have to remember that we use every time. We won't use all of them, but they go in the same order. The first one is to apply the distributive property. And you know that if there are any parentheses, that you are to multiply the coefficient times whatever is in the inside of the parentheses. Number 2 is to combine any like terms that are on the same side of the equation. Example, 2x plus 4x. Those are on the same side of the equal sign. Number 3, collect all variables on one side of the equation. As such, 6x minus 3x. And then 4, collect all constants on the opposite side of the variable. That would be all numbers on the other side. And then 5, divide each side by the coefficient. With number 1, you notice that you go straight from step 1 to step 5. So x equals 2, and you can check this by replacing the variable with the number back into the equation, and negative 20 should equal negative 20. And then we did number 2. And you're going to practice 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then at when you're finished working those out using those steps, and like I said, you won't use every step, I will put the answer key and you can check your answers. If you have any questions, please let me know. I know that you're going to do awesome with this.